Guys, for today's video, ayan, kain tayo. Meron kami dito midnight snack, guys. Matakam kayo, guys. Ang sarap, guys, ng french fries. Bagong order lang to, guys. Ayan, with mayo ketchup na sausawan. And also, we have here a
Crystal, paano ginawa mo?
cheese stick,
Okay,
guys.
kay Crystal
Sarap, guys.
magpaturo.
Tapos, ito, meron siyang mayo din. Mayo ketchup, guys. Sarap, guys, oh. Ang sarap, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. So, tatlo yan, guys. Sarap. Kain tayo, guys. Sarap, guys, oh. Mainit pa yan, guys. Samahan niyo ako kumain, guys. Ayan, sa mga solid, guys, na supporters, maraming salamat at everyone. Ingat kayong lahat. And, huwag niyo kalimutan, let's grow all together. Lagi lang tayo magyakapan, guys. At dito sa bahay ko, napaka-solid, napakaraming the best, guys. Kaya pasok lang kayo dito. Ayun lang, guys. Ingat ang lahat. God bless us all. Ashing! Bye! Thank you for watching.